Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to fly my repurposed Airwolf, which I've just repainted. I just did a video on the paint job. Did a short flight just to show for the video, but now I'm going to actually do a flight to see if I can see it any better, because at distance it would just pretty much disappear. So we're just waiting for GPS. Of course, as usual, I have my LiPo alarm here, because we're flying at the maximum weight saving. So stripped the boom out and all the tail bits and all unnecessary brackets, and printed a little battery holder. And with this 2200, she weighs just on 1350 grams thereabouts, which is a far cry from the almost 1800 from before. So we have GPS. I like to leave it just a few seconds extra, and then I just spin her around just to make sure that we have GPS all the way, and we do. I've increased the throttle to 75%, and I increased the swash gain by about 10%, because I just found it was a bit wobbly at speed. So yeah, as usual, I fly in ATI mode, which I have here. 1, 2, 3, and activate. Let's hope she holds together. So we're in ATI mode. There's literally no wind, so she will just hover. Whatever wind there is will be the direction that she drifts in, and I can tell already very much more visible than before. So yeah, at this weight, nice and agile, as you can see. Certainly is more visible. I should get about 7 to 8 minutes on this battery if I don't fly it like a hooligan. But with the increased motor from 70 to 75, it might reduce it a little bit. But yeah, very visible. I dare to say that this flies almost the same as my Bell 206, which for me is just the bee's knees when it comes to Flywing helicopters. They're certainly very visible. And of course this Flywing version 2.5 for me does have the best head on it. So if it was me and I was starting out, I would buy the version 2.5. I think it's a bit cheaper. Convert it to gear drive like I have here. Then you'll get as durable as the V3 with a better head, and you've spent less money. And isn't that what we all want to do? It certainly is very noticeably more pitch sensitive than the Bell. Okay, there's the battery up. I'm going to put another battery in. Certainly does fly nice now. I must be honest. Nice and visible. Hello. Well, thanks for watching. Lovely.